In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Dropbox installation to a different drive to free up space. If your main drive is getting full, shifting your Dropbox folder to a larger or secondary drive is a quick way to reclaim storage without losing any files. Start by opening Dropbox from the System tray. On Windows, click the small upward-pointing arrow on the taskbar to reveal hidden icons. Look for the Dropbox icon, then click it to open the menu. In that menu, click your profile icon and choose Preferences. This opens the Dropbox settings window where we'll make the change. Next, go to the Sync tab. This is where Dropbox manages how and where your files live on your computer. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Change Location. Click that, and a file browser will appear so you can choose a new home for your Dropbox folder. Select your other drive. This could be D, E, or whatever your secondary drive is, and choose the folder or create a new one where you want Dropbox to live. Once you pick the new location, Dropbox will show a confirmation prompt. Approve the confirmation to proceed. At this point, Dropbox begins moving your existing Dropbox folder to the new drive. Depending on how many files you have and the speed of your drives, this may take a while. It's best to keep your computer awake and connected to the internet and avoid closing Dropbox while the transfer is in progress. When the move is complete, the space previously taken up by your Dropbox folder on your old drive will be freed, often by several gigabytes or more, and your Dropbox files will now live on the new drive. Your synced files and folder structure will remain the same, and Dropbox will keep working as usual, just in a new location. A quick tip: make sure the new drive has enough free space to hold your entire Dropbox folder. Also, if you only have one drive or no additional partition available right now, you won't be able to select a different location today, but these are the exact steps you'll follow when you add or connect another drive. That's it. That's how to move your Dropbox installation to a different drive to free up space. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.